morning students. Today we are going to study here in your regular math textbook this next one chapter, a pattern, page number 43. You see in your textbook this page number 43, pattern chapter. Pattern. Note the pattern in the sequence of letters below. You see these letters here, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. In this type of this pattern means here same letters. See here A, B, again A, B, again A, B, and again A, B. Here sequence of these all these letters A, B, A, B, A, B. This pattern. Then second one, see this pattern AAB, AAB, AAB in this type of given here. See here is AAB, again AAB, again AAB in this type of this pattern. The sequence of these letters here 2A, 1B, 2A, 1B, 2A, 1B. Next one, look at the patterns below. Which one is like here AB, AB, and which one like here AAB and AAB, and which one like here ABC and ABC. You see here. Here, suppose you take here A letter, here B. Again here same shape. You see here this square. Here also this. Means you take here AB, 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 AB pattern. The next one. Here two triangles means you take here 2A, 2A, 1B, 2A, 1B means AAB here pattern. Here pattern is here AAB. Next one, see, one flower and one leaf, one flower, one leaf, one flower, one leaf means pattern here AB, AB, AB pattern. Which pattern here? AB. Next one, see this. Here one flower is here, here also one flower, this flower different, this also different. Again this first one flower, again this second one. You see this also AB pattern. Here you take here A, B, again A, B, A, B, A, B. Then you write here pattern AB. Next one, see butterfly, flower and here dots. Then A, B, C, again A, B, C, again this pattern A, B, C. A, B, C. Next one. Here elephant, giraffe, elephant, horse, giraffe. Again elephant, horse, giraffe. Giraffe here camel. Then you see here this pattern here A, B, C. Again this pattern A, B, C. Then you write here pattern A, B, C. In the boxes below, make a pattern of your own like AAB, AAB. Then you like here pattern of this AAB. In this type of means you draw here many any shape of this pattern. Suppose you draw here two circles means this AA and triangle B, AAB. Again square, one triangle you draw here. Again square and one triangle you draw here means pattern AAB, AAB, AAB. In the pattern given below, draw the pictures of which follow. See this here three flowers means A. Again here B pattern. Again AAB, AAB. Then you write here pattern here AAB, AAB. Then next one, here three flowers same and these two pictures same means AABB. Again AABB. Then you write here pattern AABB. This type of this pattern. Then next one, see page number 44. Spot the pattern and fill in the empty boxes. You spot the pattern and fill in the empty boxes. You see this. Afterwards I will send photo. Then in homework you draw these all these shapes and you complete this pattern. See this arrow is here up side, then afterwards right side, then down side, then again left side, again here up side, again here right side. Then you draw here this which pattern here then you draw this arrow here down side, then next one left side, then again up side, and then again you draw here this arrow right side. Then see this leaf here upside of this leaf, then again right side, then down side left side, again you draw here upside, right side, down side, left side, again you draw here this upside, only this one, this pattern you draw here. Then next one, see this clock. In this first clock here time is 1 o'clock, second 2 o'clock, this third one you see here time 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Then next one in clock you draw here this time 6 o'clock, then here 7 o'clock, and here 8 o'clock. Then next one pattern A, here one B, and this B is here, this left side is given, here C, this also is given, then D, and you arrange here this opposite side of this D you draw here. Then next see here in this circle here 3, these shapes here 4, 5 is given here, then afterwards you draw here this 6, then here 7, and you draw here this 8. Then see here table is given 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 9. Then you write here 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. Then here write 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 8, 64. Then here see this table is given 5 table 5, 10, 15. Then here 2 empty boxes, afterwards 30 number is given. Then you complete here this table of this 5 table. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35, 5 8 the 40, 5 9 the 45, 5 10 the 50, and again you write in 50 number you add here 5 means 55. Then next one see this number here 2, 9, 16. Here numbers given. Here 2 given, here 9 given, here 16 given, here 1 empty box, again here 30 number given, here again 1 empty box, again 44, again empty boxes here. Then you see here difference in between these two numbers, in two number you add here 7, means here answer is here 9. Then again in 9 number you add here 7, 16, then 16 number you add here 7, 23, again you add here 30, in 30 number you add 7 means 37 plus 7, 44, in 44 number again you add here 7 means here 51, in 51 number you again add here 7, you write here answer 58, means here adding in this number 7. And you complete this pattern, okay? Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.